तुझी माया
This is a unique idea came in my mind when I visited one old age home which is in our area, and where I seen that how we keep our parents and get them admitted or lodged in an old age home since we have money. I had initially decided to call all senior citizens from old age home at the police station, and I went to the Provideria, where I saw that the senior citizens are not able to move from the place. So they advised me that it is not health-wise, it is not advisable to shift them from the Provideria or other old age home to this place. Then I've decided to contact our senior citizen in our area, and I'm happy all have come. But not forgetting senior citizens who are staying in the old age home, after our Ganesh celebration is over, or within this week, our staff will go and visit them, and we will spend some time with them, and we will whatever possible, like we offer you flower, we will offer flowers, and we'll try to give the basic requirement for daily things we have decided to give.
पंचायतीक फुडें काडून ग्राम पंचायत डेव्हलपमेंट प्रोग्रामांक ही सुरवात दिल्ली आसा. आमकां चड उलोवपाचें ना, पूण एकूच आमचें म्हणपाचें आसा तें आमकां जायते प्रश्न आसात. थोडे घरचे, थोडे भायले, जरी आमचे कोण वायट चिंतल्यांक म्हायती आसत की पुलीस आमचो अपुरबायेन सांबाळ करूंक फुडें सरलात म्हूण, तर आमकां कोणूच हात लावपाक ना. तर आमची विनंती आमच्या पुलीस आंच बडव्यान आमचे दोळो लावून आमचो सांबाळ करचा. तुमच्या सगळ्यांच्या नांवान आमी इन्स्पेक्टर साहेब दालवी आनी इन्स्पेक्टर जनरल साहेब श्री यशपाल सिंग, सुप्रिटेंडंट ऑफ पुलीस श्री प्रसून हांकां देव बरें करूं म्हणटा आनी शबासकी दिता हो वार उर्बेन फुडें व्हरच्या. देवान सगळें बरें करचें आनी परमेश्वर गणेशान आमचे सगळ्यांचे आशिर्वाद घालचो.
I request.
It's my great privilege here to be amongst you today on the occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi. I'm really extremely pleased that PIE Inspector Jilbab Dalvi has organized this program. And let me assure you that this is not an exercise in publicity. For quite some time, police department has been working for the senior citizens. Now, why exclusively for senior citizens? There are certain segments of population, children, women, senior citizens, who are vulnerable from crime point of view. They can easily become target of crime because they are not able to resist the moves of the criminals due to their old age, due to their weaknesses, and due to the lack of assistance of other family members. So our Director General of Police had taken an initiative that we should collect the data of all those senior citizens who are living alone, whose children are not living with them, who are above 60 years of age, so that our police officers at the police station level, at subdivision level, they are able to interact with them. The philosophical purpose behind this exercise is that you have given your prime youth for the development of the country. Some of you were teachers, some of you were engineers, some of you were doctors. You have educated your children who are in the forefront of the developmental process of the country. Now it is the responsibility of the state and responsibility of the public authorities to take care of you. So that is the philosophical purpose behind this exercise. So in this initiative, not only the beat officer who is always present in your beat, but the police inspectors, our sub-divisional police officers, superintendent of police, deputy inspector general of police, and even at my level also, we have your data on our computer. Every day we pick up 2 or 3 senior citizens and we talk to them. We ask for their welfare. We ask them whether they need anything. Sometimes you may not be well, you may not be able to drive your car, you may not be able to ride a two-wheeler. So you can give a telephonic call to beat constable who can arrange medicine for you. You may be thinking of depositing your electricity bill, telephone bill. You may not be well enough to go to the counter. So all these small chores, they will be facilitated by our officers. So on this occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi, it is a very auspicious occasion, and I wish that this scheme should be extremely successful. And let me tell you that no scheme, no initiative of the country, no initiative of the state succeeds unless it is supported by the masses, by the people themselves. Because police agency, it is not us and them. Police officers also come from you. Some of them are your brothers, some of them are your sons, some of them are your daughters. So we are like a family. It is not that police agency comes from other planet. So we are all part of you, and as public authority, it is our responsibility to extend all possible assistance to you. Particularly senior citizens, because they are vulnerable to crime. As I earlier said, maybe because of old age, you may not be able to resist the attempt made by criminal antisocial element at your residence, or while you are taking a walk, or you are going to market. So somebody may even snatch your mobile phone. So with this purpose in mind, we have taken this initiative, and we really want to take this initiative forward. And for that, I seek your blessings, your assistance, so that we are able to serve you better. And I also appreciate the efforts of our inspector, who has really taken initiative, call all of you here. And I don't want to stand between you and the entertainment program which you are keenly awaiting. So I'll finish my speech here, and we can interact during the interaction. In case you have any question about the police department, you can even give suggestions also, and there may be certain complaints also, because no authority is perfect. There may be certain problems while we execute our mandate of protection, mandate of security, mandate of law and order. So basically, we are your agency only. So you have to really assist us by extending your assistance, by putting forward suggestions, and in case there are certain shortcomings, so we'll try to plug those shortcomings. So once again, I thank all of you. You have really taken a lot of effort to travel all the way to Calangute police station. I'm extremely grateful to you. And in case any of you really want to interact for a longer period, you can even come to my office also. So there is no problem about that. So I'm extremely grateful to all of you. Thank you. 1090. This is exclusively for senior citizens. So any senior citizen who is in distress, who has some trouble, or who is being harassed by someone, any relative, any antisocial element, you can give a call on 1090. It is a dedicated helpline. So normally in a day we get 3-4 calls. So now you can understand that it is easily contactable. Similarly for women also, we have set up a helpline 1091. So any woman who is in distress, she can call 1091. 1090 is for senior citizens and 1091 for women. So I just wanted to inform you. Thank you.